Okay, now for some sound swap. This is our first word today. Rob, rob. Write that in the middle of your board or on your piece of paper. Okay. Check to see if you're right. You'll need to work fast. Rob. We want rob to say rib. Rib. What sound do we need to swap? Rib. That's right, we need to swap the O. Rib to an E. Check to see if you were right. Okay, we've had rib and we want to make rib say fib. Fib. Sorry, fib. Make rib say fib. Okay, it's the R we need to change to a fib. Okay, let's change fib to fig. Fib to fig. What sound do you need to change? Change it now. We needed to change the B. We want fig. We need to put a G there. Fig, fig. Okay, one more change. Let's change fig to say rig. Rig. What sound do we need to change? That's right, we need to change the F to a R. Rig. And that sounds what for today.